We are at Langestranden, another beach in Bergen, and not so crowded like the one I was before earlier today, Kirketangen. But yeah, we are ready to dive in also here. So today is 11th of June, Sunday. Outdoor temperature right now at 2:30 p.m. It's 22 degrees Celsius and feels like temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. So let's dive in here and check out. It's probably gonna be actually the same water as yesterday, because I can see the beach I was at yesterday at the castle there. What's it called? Hauge. And there are so many people on the other side, but basically very few people on this beach. And here I can see also a bit sandy parts, but still there are some seashells and stuff. So watch out when you go in, because some of the seashells and stones are quite sharp. Yes, that's the beach over there, if you can see, maybe 1 kilometer from here. I see so many people there. And I was there yesterday also to test that one out, so check that video as well. But yes, this is Langestranden, and we are going in for a swim here as well. And we are doing it right away. Let's go! Beautiful. Ah, beautiful, look at that. Yes, this is Langestranden. We are still on the North Sea, of course. Goes without saying. The only beach I visited in Bergen that's not on the North Sea is the one on the mountain Floyen. Nice little lake there. But other than that, it was only in the North Sea. So yeah, oh, so many beaches I visited in Bergen. I need to make also a top list, like top 5. I can even make a top 10 list, because I visited more than 10, believe me. And yeah, wonderful Sunday. Ooh. Yeah, let's dive in again. Fantastic, fantastic. So, greetings from Langestranden, this beautiful tiny beach here in Bergen, Norway. And yeah, have a good one.